Today I will solve challenge 24 using Excel 360 dynamic array formulas. So this is my current scenario. I have a table with two columns, particulars and remarks. The remarks column contains multiple line text and I want to transform each line text entry into a single row value. To solve this problem, I will use the let function. Let, because I want to store intermediate results and make the formula easier to understand. First, I will create a variable name which is a, right comma. Here I will use the TOCOL function. I will select my particulars column, right comma, and I will select ignore blanks so that the blank cells will be excluded. If I close the bracket, right comma, if I return A to see my result, you can see I have only the values of particulars column excluding the blank rows. Now I will write another variable which is B. I will use the CONCAT function and select the remarks column. I will add a space by using ampersand. If I close the bracket, right comma, and return B to see my result, you can see all the remarks have been combined into a single text string. And this is my first row value space and this is my second row value. That means each row value is separated by the round parenthesis and space. And this space will act as a part of the call delimiter. Now I will write another variable which is C. I will use the text split function to split the single cell value into different rows. The text will be B, right comma. I'll skip the call delimiter. I'll go to the next argument which is row delimiter. Here I'll write round parenthesis and space. If I close the bracket, write C to see my result. Now you can see each multi-line remark has been transformed into a separate row. I'll remove the last record. Also, I will remove the unwanted space. To remove the unwanted space, I will use trim function. I'll just close the bracket, press enter, and all the unwanted spaces are gone. I will use the drop function here. Array will be C. In the rows argument, I'll write -1 because I want to remove the last row. I'll close the bracket and press enter. Last row is gone. I will add back the closing parenthesis to each remark by using the ampersand. I'll write the closing parenthesis into the inverted comma. I'll press enter. The remarks appear exactly as expected. I will use the HSTACK function to add the particulars column. HSTACK. First array will be a, right comma. I'll just close the parenthesis and press enter. And this is my expected result. I hope you like this approach. In the next video, I'll solve the same problem using Power Query. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.